What if cancer drug development didn't have to rely on trial and error anymore? Today, I'm going to walk you through this exact infographic on screen because it explains visually how Modella AI's multimodal foundation models are changing oncology and why AstraZeneca decided to integrate this technology globally. Keep your eyes on the screen. Everything I'm explaining is mapped directly to this visual. Let's start in the center of the infographic, this brain-like network labeled Strategic Operational Impact. This represents a multimodal foundation model, not a single AI tool, but a system that connects multiple types of biomedical data into one learning framework. And this is critical because cancer biology is never just one data type. Now look to the top left. You'll see three inputs feeding into the model: pathology images, clinical data, and biomedical and molecular data. What Modella AI does, and this is the breakthrough, is integrate all three simultaneously, instead of analyzing them in silos. This means the AI can correlate what doctors see, what patients experience, and what's happening at the molecular level at the same time. Moving down the infographic, you'll notice quantitative pathology analysis. This is a huge shift. Traditionally, pathology has been qualitative, expert interpretation, but subjective. Modella's AI turns images into measurable signals, identifying proteins and spatial patterns that are directly linked to clinical outcomes. In other words, pathology becomes predictive, not just descriptive. Now, look at the bottom left section, targeted biomarker discovery. Because the AI understands images, biology, and outcomes together, it can surface precise biomarkers that would otherwise be invisible. This is how you move toward personalized oncology, matching the right drug to the right patient earlier in development. Let's move to the right side of the graphic. This is where pharma executives start paying close attention. First, accelerated clinical development. AI is embedded directly into R&D workflows, shortening timelines and reducing costly late-stage failures. Second, improved trial success rates. When patient selection and biomarkers are data-driven, the probability of success goes up, and that's everything in oncology. Finally, look at the AstraZeneca integration node. This wasn't an overnight decision. The infographic notes a multi-year test drive collaboration before global integration. That tells you something important. This AI didn't just look good in theory, it delivered in real drug programs. This infographic isn't about hype. It shows how AI is moving from experimentation to infrastructure in oncology drug development. And as regulators now release formal AI guiding principles, models like this are becoming the blueprint for how future cancer drugs will be built. If you want more breakdowns like this, where we decode pharma strategy visually, subscribe, because this is just the beginning.